Hi, welcome to the eGen Solutions YouTube channel where we help make your business social media a little bit easier. And today's video here, we're going to show you how to add an admin to your LinkedIn company page. Now, quick little thing here. This is not how to add employees to your LinkedIn company page. Whole separate video, but guess what? That's up here or in the video description below. This one here that I hope you're going to stay for is how to add an admin to your company page. I said that all in one breath. This is great. Let's get going. All right, we're going to be super quick with this one so that you can get on with your day. You need, in order to add someone as an admin to your LinkedIn company page, you need to, of course, be admin yourself. That's the first thing. The second thing you need to be is connected to them. So that means you have to send them an invite to connect with you, or they to you, however you do that, and you are both connected together in order for you to add them. So those are the two rules that you have to have in order to make this scenario work. Then you come into the company page. As you can see here, this is a blank one. We've literally done nothing but put in a name. But you're going to come all the way over here when you're looking at it to the admin tools. Click that little download box, scroll all the way down to manage admins. I think I clicked it. Oh, try it again. And then you'll come to the admin page. Right here is a button that says add admin, select it. And now they allow you to do different roles, which is kind of cool. But we're going to add Carl because Carl is actually the owner of this page and we're connected. I'm making him a super admin because he's super and he's the owner. So we're going to hit save. And now you can see that we have successfully made Carl owner of, or super admin of this page. There you go. If you like this, thumbs up. If you want more how-tos, be sure to let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for subscribing. See you again in the next video.